Homemade Neem Face Packs. Neem and Lemon Face Pack. Go ahead and take fresh Indian lilac and grind them well. Combine the fresh lemon juice using the neem paste. Apply this paste evenly. After 10-20 minutes, wash the face area with water. Rather of Indian lilac, you should use the neem powder also. The building of neem powder is described above. This face pack helps you to take away the excessive oily in the face. Neem and Rosewater Face Pack. Go ahead and take neem powder, add some sandalwood powder and rose water. Combine all of the ingredients as smooth fine paste. Apply this paste evenly. Wash the face after 10-15 minutes. Neem and Curd Face Pack. Go ahead and take neem powder, combine the curd and gram flour, besan, with neem powder. Combine all of the ingredients into fine paste. Wash the face area before you apply the face area pack. Go ahead and take paste around the fingers, apply all around the face. Leave it for 25-30 minutes. Wash the face area pack with lukewarm water. This face pack helps you to clear the acne, pimple evidently. Oatmeal, milk, honey, and neem. Well, gorge around the fundamental ingredients to savor the summertime sans acne and pimple. Oatmeals are a good supply of minerals and vital vitamins that really help in exfoliation and scrubbing from the dead skin cells. Milk purifies your skin from inside and moisturizes it to really make it supple and soft. Honey has deep antioxidant qualities that can help in further exfoliation and anti-aging. It shall take away the wrinkles, and provide an all-natural youthful appeal. Neem with Rosewater Face Pack. This purifying face pack will assist in clogging your pores and decluttering the face from acne and pimples. Boil water and set the Indian lilac. Now create a fine paste of Indian lilac and then add rosewater towards the paste. Now, apply this around the impacted quantity. This can naturally assist in cleaning your blemishes, blotches, brown spots, anti-aging signs, and provides you with an all-natural searching clear skin instantly.